Alright, back to Project Nickel and Dime. We got a little bit ahead of ourselves as far as the video with the engine and the transmission installation. So, got to get back on the Wayback Machine and put a video together for cylinder head installation, oil pump, oil pan, damper, crankshaft damper, power steering, pump, valve covers, intake manifold. We've been busy, got ahead of ourselves, had some product placement to do, so Project Nickel and Dime's coming along pretty good. Got to do the radiator, I'll have a video of that, got to do some electrical, getting really close to finishing that up, and so to check them out. So thanks for listening. Alright, probably the most important part of this whole build is doing the Valvetrain. Now that is going to incorporate the roller rocker arms of the Scorpions. It's a 1.6. Dropping in the push rods, making sure everything is oiled, lubricated with break-in lube, setting the lash to 0, and rotating the engine 90 degrees in the firing order of the 302 here. It's the late model 50 firing order, not the early 68 version, all depending on the type of cam that you're running. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to get started. Some push rods. Some assembly lube. You're going to put some down in here. I already have some down on the lifters. Slide those in. Go ahead and add some to all the lifters here. Alright, got all the push rods in. I'm going to go ahead and put some lube on the tops of these push rod ball ends. Alright, next up we're going to add the rocker arm U channels and the fulcrum. These go in like this, and the actual rocker arm rests inside here. The left side. Line this up. Get it started with our fingers. The handle works pretty good here. You need to make sure the fulcrum is riding on the round side of the rocker arm. In this case it's not. These are kind of tricky to get started. I'll put some lube here. Fulcrum. The other push rod. Rocker arm. Can set it to just where it wiggles. And you gotta have one of these. Go to your 0 lash.
this one off. Put some lube to this side. Line it up. So it should go 1/2 turn. And that one's dead on. Now I rotate the crank 90 degrees and do number 3. That would be this one. Move this 90 degrees, which is going to put me over here. There. And then we do the process all over for number 3. Should have lined up. Verify this one again. 20. We go to number 7. And there's finished rocker arms assemblies. Squirted some oil down here and also in the push rods and in the valleys.